Hi, welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me. If this is your first time, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you can stay in the loop, and make sure you thumbs up this video if you like it and comment down below. Don't be shy, say hi. Okay, so I'm going to be reviewing this Cashmere Caviar Curls collection. We received this in our August CurlKit box. And starting out, I am using the hair mask. I did cleanse my hair with something else because I didn't get the hair bath from this collection. This is very thick and creamy. I use it on my hair and my two girls' hair. I let it sit in with a cap on for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I'm rinsing it out right here. And what can I say about this product? It's just okay. Here now I'm using the hair silk. I can glide my fingers through. Feels really good. And I did not know that these products actually came out the end of 2017. I thought they were new because they were hyped up in the CurlKit for August. But yeah, I did some research and come to find out they came out the end of 2017. And I'm not really feeling how my hair looks. It looks like a poodle hair. Excuse my dogs in the background. This side has a little bit more hold than this side. This is the side that I didn't use the mask on. I just used the silk and the jelly after I shampoo. This is the side that I used the mask on after the shampoo. This side seems to be more big and fluffier. This is my hair today. As you can see, it is really big. Really big. It feels a little something, but it don't feel real moisturized. It just feels dry. So that's pretty much it. I guess I will play around with the hair jelly and the hair silk with other products to see if I can get it to work better on our hair. But for right now, for all three of our hair, it just was not the best.